We're at the airport. We're going to Mexico. Here's a panda. We're here in line. I'm going to Mexico for the first time. Alright, so we just got out of TSA. And I hate TSA. It's such a freaking mess all the time. I hate it. So many people. You gotta take off your shoes. It's a freaking mess. Tons of stores, food, things, gambling. Maybe I'll play a little Monopoly and make myself some money. $2 million. I need drink. It's probably gonna be super expensive, but whatever, I'm thirsty. So $4.50 for a Sprite. Insanity. But they don't let you bring your own drinks in, so like, you know, I don't have any other choice. Our plane just got here. There it is, right there. Getting on the plane. There's a panda right there. Alright, we are on the plane. We're on our way to Mexico. Well, we can't see anything. But we're leaving now. Leaving Vegas. Super bumpy ride. Bye-bye, Vegas. Bye-bye. We're almost there. Super close now. Mexico City. Gracias. Igualmente. We're here in Mexico. We are here. Jesse is dancing. He's happy. These virtual aquariums, which is super cool. There was a whale there, but we missed it. There it is. There's the whale. He's like, come get some tuna. All right, we have arrived at the airport. Here is a Fluffers. Yeah, I know. It smells like fried chicken, actually.
Yeah, it's crazy.
It smells like fried chicken and gasoline. Excellent combination. Let's go. Here's a quick video of our room. There's a panda doing panda things. There's our bed. Bed is huge. This place is so cool. I filmed the outside too, like on the way in here. The hallways are super interesting here, but I didn't want to make any noise. I filmed a portion of it in Spanish. Maybe I'll show it in the vlog when I do the vlog and just talk over it. But really interesting. Hello. There's a Fluffs.
Hi.
Alright, we're gonna make our way out of here.
Let's go.
Alright, so here is our hotel in Polanco, in the city of Mexico. Me and a panda are here. He's bouncing happily. I'm trying to get him in frame, but this thing is like, there we go. There is a panda. But yeah, we are in the area of Polanco in Mexico. It's a very posh neighborhood. Yesterday when we came in, there was a lot of really upscale shopping areas. And it's pretty much all these places I can't afford to shop in. But we'll go buy them maybe at some point in our trip just to see what they're like. But yeah, it's pretty cool. Right now we're just gonna try and go and get something to eat. Polanco has so many pretty parks, and it's so peaceful. Look, there's like little squirrelies running around, and it just feels so nice, and it smells so nice. This whole area just smells really nice. Beautiful place though. Squirrelies? Oh, little squirrely buddies. Every time I go to record them, they run away. Let me just film you. Hi. You're a star. You're a star, squirrel. Will you be my friend? Please? Please! So here is an Abraham Lincoln statue that was gifted to Mexico. Hi, Abe. There's also a Martin Luther King statue right across the street. I am super impressed with Polanco. It's so pretty here. And, Krispy Kreme, dancing donut. So we are right next to a churro shop called El Moro, but basically they have the most famous churros that they have here in Mexico. But the churros are classic. The place has been there since like 1932. It's been featured in all sorts of stuff, and it's really good. You could get like this like caramel dipping sauce, and it's just absolutely delicious. If you're ever in Mexico City in the area of Polanco, there's actually a couple of them, but we went to the one in Polanco because that's where we're staying. It's called El Moro, and it is amazing. Amazing churros. If you love churros, definitely hit up El Moro. You're not going to regret it. And that's going to do it for this vlog video, everyone. Thank you so much for watching this vlog. We'll have many more Mexico vlogs coming up here on the channel very soon. If you did like this video, go ahead and give the video a like. It really helps us out a lot. And if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe. I thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you all next time. Bye-bye.